Let's talk about why electric SUVs matter. Sustainability. Zero tailpipe emissions mean every drive helps cut our carbon footprint. Automakers are using recycled and eco-friendly materials inside their vehicles. Charging is getting greener, with more renewable energy powering the grid. Battery tech is improving. Longer life, better recycling, less waste. Cleaner air in cities means healthier communities. Sustainability is at the heart of the EV movement. Every electric drive is a step toward a cleaner future. There's still work to do, but the progress is real. Electric SUVs are about more than tech. They're about making a difference. Let's talk performance. Because electric SUVs are seriously fun to drive. Forget everything you thought you knew about SUVs being slow or clunky. The new generation of electric SUVs is rewriting the rulebook, blending practicality with a thrilling driving experience. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants a smooth, effortless commute, these vehicles deliver in ways that might surprise you. Instant torque means acceleration is smooth, silent, and quick. The moment you press the pedal, you feel a surge of power, no lag, no waiting for gears to shift. It's a sensation that's both exhilarating and addictive, making every green light an opportunity to experience that signature EV rush. The Tesla Model Y rockets off the line, and even family trims are fast. You don't have to buy the top performance model to enjoy impressive acceleration. Even the standard versions can outpace many traditional gas-powered SUVs, making merging onto highways or overtaking traffic a breeze. Low-mounted batteries give EVs a low center of gravity for better handling. This means tighter cornering, less body roll, and a more planted feel on the road. Whether you're navigating twisty mountain roads or just taking a sharp turn in the city, you'll notice the difference in stability and confidence.